Hello, if you're just seeing the first part of the force and particle tutorial and you're wondering about what's about the second part, or you are just interested in creating such an effect, so mm, creating some particle system affected by the movement of the hand and mapped on the on a silhouette, yeah, then this might be like the right tutorial for you, because I have released a tutorial on how to really realize this effect. And beside this, you will also get other tox files that I will show you now fast. So you will get, of course, the project of the file of the first part, so the particle system affected by the movement of the mouse. You will get silhouette tox, which is basically a component where the player index that you get from the Kinect is modified a little bit, so to get like this the shape smoother. Beside all these two, you will also get the same project of the first tutorial, but this time the stars are mapped on the hands of the user, so there will be like stars moved by the hands movement, and then you also will get the forces and this other component where you just move particles around by moving your hand, and you create this pretty cool effect. So, and beside all these tox files, you will also get, of course, the video recording of the second part of the tutorial. If you are interested in this effect, I think you might be interested in the second part of the force and particle tutorial, uh, which will be released for purchase. So, yeah, thanks for your attention. Yeah, stay tuned for some other tutorials.